scan to unlock SOVI and ace your tests.
Calculus problems involving velocity functions are actually quite simple if you follow this three-step pipeline to find the exact position of an object in motion today. First, we integrate the velocity function dy by dt to find the general position equation. Adding the constant of integration c is essential for capturing all possible paths for our function. Next, we use the known position at time t equals 1. By plugging in 12 for 1 and t, we solve for c, which turns out to be 10. Finally, substitute c back into our equation and evaluate at t equals 2. Plugging in the values gives us 8 plus 4 plus 10, resulting in 22, option D. Nailed it! Scan the code, you can learn better with SOVI. Don't drop constant c or use the wrong t value, always use the start point.